Hello my dear friends, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video, we will make a wall hanging using quotations. For this, I have taken an OHP sheet and some acrylic colors. First, I have written the quotation on a white paper with pencil, and then I will keep the OHP sheet above it, then write it with a brush. So like this, I have kept the paper beneath the OHP sheet, and the outline I have just made it with the marker. With the marker and the scale, I put outline like this because the quotation will be in the middle. Now I will write it using a brush and black acrylic color. So like this, we will just write it above the pencil mark. See my friends, like this we can do. Or else if you want, you can use the glass outliner, that also you can use. So like this. So like this you have write the whole quotation with the help of a brush. Here I have used black color. It depends upon your choice, you can use other colors also, uh, but I think black would be more attractive, so I have written with this color. Like this you have to write. See my friends, it looks like this. After that we will just decorate it. So for this, uh, after it dries up, we will just flip that OHP sheet. Then on the back side of it I will put some colors so that it would look much more attractive. So I have flipped that OHP sheet, and on the back side I will put this color with the help of a brush. I will just fill it up like this. See my friends, actually I don't want that solid color, so for that I will just slightly in a faint way I will color it in just a faint way, like this. Like this friends, you have to just fill it up. Like this we have to complete this portion. See my friends, after completing it, it looks like this. So we will let it dry. We will keep it for some time to let it dry, and then after drying, af- we will do the other parts like this. And then the border part we will decorate it like this. I have put some flowers, you can use other some designs also. So like this I will do the border, like this. Then after completing the border it looks like this. So now the painting part is ready. Now we will keep it in different background and see which one looks better. So here I have put the blue in the background, then the yellow pepper in the background, and then this orange one, um, and this is the glittering brown color, uh, and this with the black color. So friends, it depends upon you which background you like, um, and which one will look better. Personally I like this one, so I did it like this. I will keep it like this only. Then you can fix the sides with some design tape, and it will look much better on the wall. So thank you very much for watching my channel. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.